Hey friends, thanks for stopping by our channel. My name is Amanda Gedney and I'm the founder and CEO of Settle In Abroad. At Settle In Abroad, we help people relocate to Thailand. Today, we are talking about the process of buying a condo as a foreigner in Thailand. Check out our previous video called Buying a Condo in Thailand, and today this is our follow-up video to it. So we will talk about all the details, the process, and the timeline of buying a condo in Thailand. Real estate is different in every country in the world. You just have to know what you're signing up for when you're looking to buy real estate in a new country. For example, in Thailand, lawyers aren't always used in every transaction, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't include one. You use a lawyer to protect your best interests. And we are all about your safety and securing your investment. I would never purchase real estate without a lawyer anywhere in the world. And Thailand is really no different. It's your choice, but we offer this service because we do believe it's necessary. There are so many details in the sale that could go wrong, so you just want a team that you can trust to ensure that everything goes as smoothly as possible. People often ask, do you have to be in Thailand to buy a condo? No, you can actually buy a condo in Thailand while you're outside the country. We offer a power of attorney service to allow our clients to purchase condos remotely. We have been doing this for many years now with great success. So what this means is you could be sitting on a beach in Mexico, reach out to us that you want to buy a condo, and we can do the entire process for you through our power of attorney and escrow service. Contracts. So what type of contracts are needed for a condo sale? It's officially called the Sales and Purchase Agreement. So once you decide on the unit that you want to purchase and you negotiate the price, then the next step is making the Sales and Purchase Agreement between the buyer and the seller. This is a crucial contract and really the only one in the condo sale. The Sales and Purchase Agreement details the timeline of the payments and how much they are. So first, you need to make what's called the reservation deposit. This amount of money should not be that high because this is a risk. This is the first payment that you're making. Issues could happen with the seller later on. So you want to be careful in that this reservation deposit isn't that much money. It greatly depends on the price of the condo you're buying, but oftentimes the seller wants a huge chunk of money to start, and you do not have to give that much money in the beginning. Usually it's about 3 payments for the condo sale. The reservation deposit, the middle payment, the third payment, and then the final payment is made at the land transfer office on the name transfer day. One detail that's important for any legal contract in Thailand is that you sign in blue ink. Everything in Thailand to make it legitimate is blue ink, and this is different than many other countries in the world. So when buying a condo, especially if you're doing a power of attorney service with us, even the power of attorney, you need to ensure it's signed in blue ink. Otherwise, there will be issues on the land transfer day, and that's the most important day. You don't want to have any issues on that day. So how do you pay for your condo? Well, it's really important that the money has to be transferred from outside of Thailand into Thailand. So for example, if you already have a Thai bank account and adequate funds to buy your condo, you can't buy it that way. You would have to send more money into the country specifically for the condo sale. This is just a part of the condo sales law in Thailand. And it's really important to specify what the transfer is for. So you want to have the condo name, the unit number, as many details on the transfer slip. Otherwise, it might not work for the sale, and you don't want to have that issue. So what are the taxes like for condo sales? Well, here's some great news that the taxes are relatively low. The main tax comes in the actual sale of the property. So the buyer and seller do share some taxes to pay on the land transfer date, but actually the majority of the tax is paid by the seller. This all needs to be specified in your sales and purchase agreement. However, if it's not there, all of the tax is going to fall into the buyer. So if you're buying a luxury condo and it's not written that the seller is responsible for the majority of the tax, you could end up paying over $1 million baht in taxes that you're not supposed to pay. So there are so many ways to save money and protect your best interests by having the correct details in the sales and purchase agreement. That's why you would hire a legal team like ours to make sure your best interests are protected completely throughout the whole process. The land transfer date, the most important day of the condo sale. This is the date where you will officially get the property put into your name. So if you're using our power of attorney service, then we get the condo in your name. So by the end of the day of the purchase process, the paperwork will have your name on it. We'll send you a nice photo. Your name will be written in Thai. And also, these are important reasons why you need a local team. Because the second you leave that land transfer office with the seller, the sale is done. So if there's any issues on that day, it needs to be handled on that day. You cannot wait. So we ensure to not leave that office until absolutely everything is perfect. You really need a team that you can put your trust in for this because it's your property and you might not be able to read Thai and the document will mean nothing to you. So you need experts to tell you that it is perfect. Here's the keys. Your condo is ready for you. So why would you buy a condo in Thailand? Well, foreigners can 100% own condos in their name, which is not the same for the rest of real estate in Thailand, such as houses and land. So condo purchases are quite a secure investment as a foreigner. So whether you want to buy it as simply an investment and you never come to Thailand, or you're looking to buy your new home, a condo in Thailand might be an incredible opportunity for you. Whether you'll buy your condo in person or through power of attorney, the most important thing is a team that you can trust. If you're a foreigner, even if you've lived in Thailand for many years, all the documents will be in the local language. So you just need to ensure that your best interests are kept in mind and that you understand what's going on throughout the whole process. When doing any transactions in a different country than your home country, there are always details that'll pop up that you would have never thought about. So that's why you have a local team to help you through every step of the way. Thanks so much for watching our video today. If you're interested in buying a condo in Thailand, please see our links below. You can follow our social media pages. Check out our schedule where we offer both free and paid calls to talk about real estate investment and what opportunities may be available for you. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.